Magandang araw po. Welcome sa Easy Tagalog 101. Sa video na ito, matututo tayo sa isang natural na usapang pangpamilya tungkol sa almusal at pagpasok sa eskwela at opisina. In this video, we will learn through a natural family conversation about breakfast and going to school and office. Usapang pamilya, almusal, at pagpasok sa eskwela at opisina. Usapang pamilya, almusal, at pagpasok sa eskwela at opisina. Family conversation, breakfast, and going to school and office. Scene number 1. Pagising ni Carla. Carla wakes up. Tok, tok, tok. Carla anak, maganda umaga. Carla my child, good morning. Gising na at mag-alas 6 na. Wake up now. It's almost 6 o'clock. Baka mahuli ka sa eskwela. You might be late for school. Oh, opo daddy. Andyan na po. Oh yes daddy, I'm coming. Babangon na po ako. I'm getting up now. Ayusin ko lang po ang higaan ko. I'll just fix my bed first. Sige anak. Alright my child. Medyo bilisan mo ang kilos. Please move a little faster. Nakahanda na ang almusal mo. Your breakfast is already prepared. Opo, Dad. Salamat po. Yes, Dad. Thank you. Maganda umaga po, Dad. Good morning, Dad. Kumusta po ang tulog ninyo? How was your sleep? Ang aga niyo pong nakaluto. You cook very early. Maayos naman ang tulog ko, anak. I slept well, my child. Maaga akong nagluto dahil ayokong umaalis ka ng bahay nang hindi nag-aalmusal. I cook early because I don't want you leaving the house without eating breakfast. Mahalaga ang pagkain sa umaga. Eating in the morning is important. Salamat po, Dad. Thank you, Dad. Tara na po, kain na tayo. Come on, let's eat now. Ano po pala ang niluto ninyo para sa almusal natin? By the way, what did you cook for our breakfast? Wow! Ang sarap naman ng almusal natin. Wow! Our breakfast looks delicious. Ano po ang sausawan natin dito? What dipping sauce are we going to use for this? Sausawan? Dipping sauce? Siyempre ang paborito mong toyo at katas ng lemon. Of course, your favorite soy sauce with lemon juice. Meron ding kamatis kung gusto mo. There are tomatoes too, if you want some. Ah, opo, gusto ko rin po ng kamatis, Dad. Yes, I also want tomatoes, Dad. Masarap po yun, lalo na't may pritong daing na bangus. They are delicious, especially with fried dried milkfish. Hala, ang dami ko na namang makakain nito. Oh no, I'm going to eat a lot again. Masisira ang diet ko. My diet will be ruined. Ay, nako anak. Oh dear, my child. Kainin mo ang lahat ng putahe. Pero, tika kaunti lang. Eat all the dishes, but only in a small portions. Matuto kang magbalanse ng pagkain para hindi masira ang diet mo. Learn to balance your food intake so your diet won't be ruined. Tama po kayo. You're right. Sige po, tara, kain na tayo. Alright, let's eat now. Ay, sandali lang po pala, Dad. Oh, wait a moment, Dad. Maupo na po kayo rito at magtitimpla muna ako ng kape natin. Please sit here while I prepare our coffee. Sige anak. Alright, my child. Ako rin, gusto ko ng mainit na kape. Pero walang asukal ha. I also want hot coffee, but without sugar. Opo, Dad. Yes, Dad. Pero may gatas po, hindi ba? But with milk, right? Pwede naman. That's fine. Basta walang asukal ha. Just no sugar. At matapang ang timpla ng kape. And make the coffee strong. Opo, Dad. Yes, Dad. Masusunod po ang inyong kahilingan. Your request will be granted. Okay, Daddy. Handa na po ang kape natin. Okay, Daddy. Our coffee is ready. Ito po para sa inyo. This one is for you. At ito naman po para sa akin. And this one is for me. Tara, kain na po tayo. Come on, let's eat now. Sige anak. Alright, my child. Manalangin muna tayo at magpasalamat sa Diyos sa mga biyayang ating tinanggap. Let us pray first and thank God for the blessings we have received. At masayang nagsalo sa pagkain ang mag-ama. The father and the daughter happily ate together. Pagkatapos kumain ay naligo si Carla at naghanda para pumasok sa eskwela. After eating, Carla took a bath and prepared for school. Paalam anak. Goodbye my child. Mag-iingat ka sa biyahe. Take care on your trip. Magmensahe ka sa akin kapag nasa eskwelahan ka na ha. Send me a message when you arrive at school. Mag-aaral ka mabuti at umiwas sa masasamang barkada, ha? Study well and avoid bad influences. Opo, Daddy. Yes, Daddy. Lagi ko naman pong tinatandaan ang mga payo at bilin ninyo sa akin. I always remember your advice and reminders. Mabuti naman kung ganoon. That's good. Then, sige na, umalis ka na para hindi ka mahuli sa klase mo. Alright, go now so you won't be late for your class. Mag-iingat kang palagi, ha? Always take care. Opo, Dad. Yes, Dad. Kayo rin po. Mag-iingat sa biyahe. You also take care on your trip. Mag-miss call po kayo sa akin kapag nasa opisina na kayo. Please give me a missed call when you arrive at the office. Oo naman anak. Salamat. Of course, my child. Thank you. Magkita na lang tayo mamayang gabi. Let's just see each other tonight. Siya nga pala, ang susi mo ng bahay. Baka nakalimutan mo. Oh, by the way, you might have forgotten your house key. Hindi ka makakapasok mamaya. You won't be able to get inside later. Do you have it with you? Ah, opo daddy, dala ko po. Yes daddy, I have it with me. Nasa ID lace ko po. It's attached to my ID lace. O sige po dad, mauna na ako. Alright then, dad, I'll go ahead now. Ingat po kayo ha. Please take care. Oo anak. Sige, lumakad ka na. Paalam at Ingat. All right, my child. Go ahead now. Goodbye and take care. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.